Good morning. Good morning. It is the wind right now. It's 28 miles per hour. And it's been like that since last night. Last night is probably faster. Like right now, I really can't hear the wind outside. But last night, it sounded like two people was outside fighting. No, but it was sounding crazy last night. And my brother just left out. So it's, what time is it? It's 7:26 right now. My brother just left out and was like, half of your Christmas decorations flew out of the ground. And so when it starts to get light outside right now, because it's like pitch black dark right now, and do y'all hear the wind? It's cold and crazy outside. I don't know if y'all can hear it, but it's loud. But when it gets light outside, I'm gonna go out there and grab my decorations and see if it's broke or if it just flew out of the ground. So I'm gonna see what's what. Last night we were put on a tornado threat. I ain't never heard of a threat. I just always heard of a warning and a, what is it? A warning and I forget the other one, but I ain't never heard of a threat. So I don't know if a threat is higher than a warning. Like, can I hear it? It's crazy outside. Like, they not building these houses like, real good, because there's shit like last night I felt like the wind hitting the house. There should be no reason why I should be feeling the wind. Like, no reason at all. Does Axel like surprises? Oh, what's that? So I turned on the Motown Christmas on Pandora. So I wanted to hear Silent Night by The Temptation. That wasn't on that album. I thought it was though. I'm gonna have to look it up. But now I'm playing Tamar Christmas radio station on Pandora. And we're about to clean. It's 8:30 right now. I'm just gonna be up all night cleaning. And y'all gonna be with me. Don't go to sleep. Y'all better not go to sleep. Stay up. Let's go. I love this song. And I love the video. Yeah, my bones is brittle. I gotta take some medicine because my hip. Hip said, girl, if you want to sit down somewhere, but I can't. I got like crackhead energy right now. And I'm trying to use it to clean up because the crackhead spirit don't come over me often. But what it do, I try to use all of it while I can. So yeah, hopefully these pills kick in. I'm gonna do some more light cleaning, and then once I feel the pills kick in, then that's when I'm gonna get down on my hands and knees and scrub the floor first, and then mop it, and then mop it again until the water's clear or not as dirty, because I already know it's about to be dirty. Filthy, okay? Filthy. Okay. So I am pulling like everything from the counters, wiping behind there for like little stuff, like things that I use every day where I'm like wiping behind and wiping up. I'm using the little water solution in that towel, but for like the microwave and then like my air fryer and the toaster and stuff like that behind there, because I don't use those every day, and so I'm sorry, I don't clean behind there every day. I don't use it, so I don't clean behind it. I'm using some Lysol wipes, so that way, because it's like it was dust behind the microwave and it was a dead fly. Disgusting. But yeah, I'm just gonna use the Clorox wipes because I don't want to put like the dust, well, not the dust, the fly and stuff like that in the water solution. So yeah, that's what we're doing. I feel like you can't tell the difference because there's still stuff on the counters. So I threw away like my stuff. I couldn't throw away a lot of stuff because I stay here with my brother and I want to be respectful. I don't like to just throw away people's stuff, but I'm gonna ask him to go through it. And but I did like clean, like, can you tell? Disregard that piece of bugs, but I did clean. So the medicine really didn't kick in. Like it did, but it didn't. Like my hip is over here humming, so I can't get down and scrub. Like that would take me out tomorrow, and I don't want to be like in the bed all day in pain. So I'm just gonna like mop the floors a whole bunch of times, and we're just gonna do that. I did the dishes, but after like cleaning, like I like collected more dishes. I don't have the energy to do those tonight. Judge your mama, I'll do them tomorrow. I think I'm gonna wait to mop because I need to clear the table. Look at it. Clear that table, and then clear that table, pull the chairs out, dust them, and then sweep. So I'll sweep last. I'll sweep and mop. Yeah, that's what I'll do. I'm gonna clean everything, sweep and mop last. Yeah, that's what I'll do. run it back. So I tried to do it with the mop, like clean the corners. My hip is killing me right now, but the mop isn't like getting the corners. I do not want to feel that pain. Like, oh my god. Oh my god. I'm just gonna have to bite the bullet. And I'm just gonna scrub. I was gonna scrub like the floors, but I'm just gonna scrub like the corners where the mop can't get. Oh my god. Ooh. Maybe if I put this on the mop, you know, because the mop is not gonna get, it'll be good for the actual floors, but it's not gonna be good for the corners. Okay, I'm just gonna bite the bullet. I got muscle relaxers. I will be okay. I will be okay. I will be okay. Ooh, I just want to cry off of this pain. Okay, let me go get the scrubber. I'm about to mop this floor, then I'm done. Mop the floor, then you be done breathing. I literally just scrubbed every baseboard. Oh my god. Okay, what time is it? It's 11:41. I only got three. I only got to do three, like mop 3 times. I was only able to do that 3 times. I had to tap out, okay? I had to, like, I literally was prep talking. Is it prep talking? Or like encouraging? Yeah, prep talk. I literally was giving myself prep talks, encouraging myself, pushing myself, and everything come out. It's okay, you can do it, keep pushing, keep going, keep going. And it's like, look, don't keep pushing yourself, because then you're gonna be out for a whole week. But and like my physical therapist, she told me, if like your hip is hurting, do not push yourself, because that would just make you be out like in the bed longer, like for more days. But I really just wanted to get done like mopping and cleaning, so like it's mopped and cleaned and everything. I have like the Christmas ornaments on the tables, and then what else? I need to do like one last minute DIY. I'll do that probably tomorrow. Yeah, I'll probably do that tomorrow. I need to do one last DIY. It's the Christmas swags or whatever. I finally found some what's those called? I finally found the Dollar Tree, well, Christmas trees. So I'm gonna do that tomorrow or Saturday. But I'm about to go take my muscle relaxer, take one Tylenol, and go to bed. This probably is the end of the video. If it's not, I would just add more days. So I'm gonna say bye for now. If it's not, then you'll see me in the next clip. Bye guys. This is a box of Christmas stuff that I bought that I still can like put up throughout the house or whatever, but that's trash. I'm gonna take that to the dumpster in the morning. And then yeah, my little pillows, my little tree. I'm tired, y'all. Good night.